that we'll have to ask them why they
Hisngi
resigned.
hadian baki
But
arngut ki MLA kila
it's
eno
okay.
eka
It
kam
happens in
jinglong
politics.
MLA
It
kentup ya
happens
arngut
in
naka
many
NPP
parties.
u
It
president
happens
ka
to many
NPP u
MLAs,
Conrad ki sang mau
and
la Kitbok
they have
baya
taken their
kalenti
decisions.
baki la shim man
So I have
yakun na ki
nothing to
wei
say
pat ki
about it.
seng san
I wish them
pertai.
the very best.
Habakren
And
menta ka arpukundai
we
tarik
can contest
unai
in any
wieng ar
political
hajar
party.
arfu ar u
And
Conrad ula
as per
kentat
my
ban
party, then
kento ay
we'll
ya
move
ka mon
forward in
jongki.
whatever way
Henry
necessary,
ula
and
shu
we'll
Kitbok ya
prepare
karai
for the
jongki
elections.
ban let no shki wei ki seng san pertai.
You still want to ask
La ban kedau
that
basaungut ki
there are
MLA
situations
kentup uba
and there
HM
are
Shangpliang u Samuel
problems
M
that
Sangma
happen.
ka Felen
But I don't
CA
think this is the
Sangma
time to, as I
but
said,
u
go into the
Benedict R
political
Marak kila no ya ka jinglong
stands that we
MLA
take.
ban let ya so
We
shaka
need to work
BJP.
together. And obviously, we have seen even society has appealed. That we'll have to ask them why they resigned. But it's okay. It happens in politics. It happens in many parties. It happens to many MLAs, and they have taken their decision. So I have nothing to say about it. I wish them the very best, and and they can contest in any political party that they wish. And as per my party, then we'll move forward in whatever way necessary, and we'll prepare for the elections.
Do you think there is a division in NPP compelling them to leave?
You still want to ask NPP that there are situations and there are problems that happen, but I don't think this is the time to, as I said, go into the political stands that we take. We need to work together, and obviously we have seen even society has appealed for peace. Even the church has come together, the religious organizations have come together, the different seniors and elders of Shillong have come together, the traditional heads have come together, and they are all urging that we need to work together to maintain peace. So I think this is not the time to go into all the political aspects. Elections will come, and then after in an election we can talk of whatever we want. But at this time, at this point in time, it's important that as leaders, we need to be together for the larger interests of the state.